Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a very simple and very natural way you can prepare a body scrub in the comfort of your home. If this is the first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. If you find this video interesting and useful, share it with your friends and loved ones, and if you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up. First ingredient we need for this simple remedy is lemon juice. Lemon juice is very rich in vitamin C. Lemon contains so many antioxidant, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Lemon juice is going to help get rid of any kind of bacteria or inflammation on your skin. It's going to help get rid of inflammation and irritation from your skin. Lemon juice also contains toning properties that is going to help lighten your skin tone, leave your skin smooth, soft and tender. Pawpaw leaf. Pawpaw leaf contains so many antibacterial properties. It's very rich in vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin B. Pawpaw leaves contain anti-inflammatory properties. It's going to help exfoliate your skin. It's going to help give you a radiant and a much younger skin. It's going to help soften, rejuvenate and revitalize your skin. Mint leaves. This is my dry mint leaf. Mint leaf contains so many antibacterial properties. It's very rich in vitamin A and C. Mint leaf is going to help get rid of any kind of skin disease. It's going to treat any acne or dark scars on your skin. Mint leaf is going to help get rid of any kind of wrinkles or saggy skin. Mint leaf is going to help give your skin that radiance and shiny glow. Mint leaf is going to enrich your skin with so many necessary vitamins that your skin needs for a healthy growth. So let's get started. Wash our pawpaw leaf thoroughly. And the next thing we'll do is to chop it into small portions. So guys, pawpaw leaf is ready. What we'll do now is to try and squeeze it to extract some juice from it. Now Feeble is no more fresh and we can use this for our body scrub because it's a bit tender. Here I have a few leaves from the mint leaf, so just go ahead and wash it. Then we add it to our mixing bowl. Next thing now is to extract our lemon juice. Here I have already sliced lemon, so we'll just squeeze it to extract the juice. So there it is guys. Mix everything together, and if you have a very sensitive skin, you can just add a little bit of water to this, but if you don't, you just apply this on your skin the way it is. You don't need to add too much water. So you use this to scrub on your skin. Just the way I'm doing it now. You scrub on your skin. It's going to get rid of the dead skin cells. and it's going to unclog your pores and cleanse it. It's going to control the oil level of your body, that is not too dry skin or not too oily skin, just a balanced skin. You scrub for about 5 to 10 minutes, then you allow this to sit on you till completely dry. You repeat this remedy twice a week for about 2 to 3 weeks for an excellent result. When it's completely dry, just go ahead and wash it off with any kind of water of your choice, be it warm or cold water. It's very okay. It doesn't affect the effect of this remedy. It's just going to cleanse your skin, make you look younger, and it's going to slow down the aging process of your skin, and it's going to tone you and give you a tender and more radiant look. So just go ahead and wash this off. So this is it, guys. If you found this video interesting and useful, share with your friends and loved ones. If you liked it, give us a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new and interesting videos like this on this channel. Please try this at home and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Till my next video, guys, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.